Hi, it's Kevin Kelly again here at NRA in Chicago. Our other great new product is our Garland Cuisine heavy duty line. We have custom 35,000 BTU powerful burners on top. As you see, we have no exposed pilots. The pilots are concealed within the top, so that means they're protected from grease and they'll light your burner every time. We went to a more European custom outside. Everything you see here is standard. Custom belly bar, custom European knobs, chamfered corners, and a custom flue riser. Rounding out the product line, we now have a full-side plancha, three-sided plancha, so if you have something on your menu that's a la plancha, great for searing, great for blackening. Going to a French-fired hot top, which is a wonderful item in a high-volume kitchen. We added our brand new pasta cooker, and we round out the line with broilers, fryers, salamanders, and charbroilers. If you need any more information, please reach out to your local rep. Thank you very much.